Good morning, everybody. Well, the Nifty's moved quite smartly over the last 4 days. Start of Monday, we were hitting the lows of 47.60, and over the last 4 days, the index has rallied quite sharply at the rate of close to 70 points every day. With yesterday's 55 points gain, the Nifty future has taken out the psychological 5K mark. This is the daily chart of Nifty future, which shows that it has confirmed a higher high on the daily time frame, and it has moved into a short-term uptrend as well. So yes, this 4-day bounce back have been quite impressive in terms of price, where we see most of the sectors along with the broader markets moving quite sharply on the upside. Cash market volumes, however, are not that great, so we'll be waiting for a sustenance about that 5K mark and expect volumes to kick in then. This is the weekly chart of Nifty futures. I can show you that the index continues to bounce back from our anticipated support range of 4740, 4780. And yes, on the weekly chart so far, we have another day to go, but it seems like quite a strong close for the index, already up over 200 points. Drilling down to the micro time frames, this is the hourly chart of Nifty future. On the upside, we sense that the momentum is still there and it can actually inch further up. From a short-term point of view, we expect the Nifty future to test the levels of 5060, 5070 on the upside. 5100 is where some amount of stiff resistance lies. This is a Fibonacci cluster of the 61.8 retracement of the previous swing fall and the entire fall from the highs of close to 5600 that we have. So yes, 5070 and then 5100 is the kind of upsides where we sense that this recent 4-day up move will cease for the time frame. Moving back to a few stocks where we saw some amount of momentum swing up. In the speculative sectors, it was realty and then the sugars. In the realty sector, stocks like DLF and HDIL, IB Real Estate, they all posted positive returns in the range of 1.5 to 4%. We amongst these stocks, we like DLF and HDIL the best. DLF has actually taken a lot of time to consolidate within the range of 195 on the upside and 175 on the downside. We see that the volumes over last 4-5 sessions have been above the 5-day average mark. With yesterday's 3% up move, it's given a neat breakout. We sense that the stock is likely to inch further up for a possible test of its previous swing high, which is close to that 207 mark. HDIL as well has moved into a short-term uptrend. This is the daily chart of the stock, which has inched up close to 4% in yesterday's trade, along with higher volumes. Closed at the high of the day, which is always a good sign for any stock to close at. We sense that the stock still has some momentum left on the upside. It's very likely to test that 77.5, 78 mark. Sugar saw some high momentum buying in the last hour of yesterday's trade. Bajaj Hindustan up 8%, Balrampur Chini 5.23%, Renuka Sugar smart move of 8%, and the last one, Triveni, up 3.96%. In terms of the current price, if you're looking at the risk reward ratio, Triveni by Balrampur Chini, which has bounced back not as much as Renuka, which has up 8%, probably gives you the best risk reward ratio to get into a long trade. But we still like Renuka and Bajaj Hindustan, but we sense that Balrampur Chini as well as Triveni has some upsides left in them for further upsides. These are the most speculative stocks within the sector, and we don't expect them to rally for a month or a quarter from here on. We sense that an 8 to 10% kind of move within the sugar stocks is still left, and we'll be happy to trade in and out of this sector and these stocks. So net, yes, it has been quite an impressive up move from the Nifty future over the last 4 days. We sense that it's very likely to inch further up. 5070, 5100 range is where one should look to book some short-term profits. Use a dip, it shouldn't fall below the 4950 mark where the supports are. As long as 4950 holds, we sense that the exchange has much better chances of extend this rally further up. So we'll wait for a test of 5070, 5100. Thank you.